Okay, so I've cleaned out the carbs. They're back on the bike. They're all in there. I've checked everything over and everything's connected. Now I'm going to have a go at starting it, and basically if it doesn't start, I have no idea what's wrong with it. I'll be calling Jenks, because it's got everything, right? Like pots 2 and 4 are firing, so it suggests that it's not pressure because it runs on 2 and 4, and it's got a really good spark. Fuel's in the reservoir, but when I took the plugs out of the ones that are not firing, 1 and 3, like, it doesn't look like they're fired at all, right? So I'm going to try it now. If it doesn't start, then I'm baffled. Okay, right. Basically, 2 things could happen here. Either it's going to turn over a few times and then start, or it's going to turn over. Oh, by the way, Dad's watching this as well. Say hi, Dad.
Hi there.
Yep, when I do something, I get everybody involved. Or I try to anyway. Especially when you're doing something in the basement on your own. So either it's going to turn over a few times and then start and run like a kitten, or it's going to turn over, not draw enough fuel through, and the battery will go flat. So fuel's on. Okay. Right. Or it's start and run really badly. There we go. Whew. Choke. Better than it did sound. I've got to set the idle as well. Awesome.
Your headlights on, Tom?
Always on.
Oh, that's a shame.
Okay, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Now it's just little settings to tweak it. Okay, so next thing, tomorrow I'm going to change the oil and then take it for a ride. See you then.